So guys, let's create a new project. Tab on top left corner, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Press next. Now we are inside our sample project. Suppose you want the zoom in effect to start after 1 second. For that, move the playhead to the 1 second mark, select the layer, tap on this button to place our first keyframe, then the duration of the effect, suppose 3 seconds. Pinch out to zoom in, reposition the video as you like. This will automatically place a keyframe in the timeline. Let's see what we have. See, we already have our zoom in effect. For zoom out, same, go to the starting point, place a keyframe, the duration, pinch in to zoom out, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.